Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. Today I will show you how to create a pivot table and look for some attributes in pivot. So here I have two columns. One is capital, one is salary. So I will create one pivot table out of these two columns. Let's select the whole data set and then go to top, insert, and then click on pivot table. Now, if I click OK, it will the pivot table will be created in one empty sheet, but I would like to create pivot table in the same sheet because I have a lot of space here. So in that case, what I have to do is just click on existing worksheet in this option and then click any of the empty cells would be fine. So let's click it here and then click OK. Then I can see that the pivot table has been created. Now I will take capital in row section, just drag and drop, and then salary, drag and drop to the value section. Now I can see that the pivot table has been created. So if I want to get this number comma separated, then I have to select the whole data here and then go to the top home option and then click on the comma, then it will be separated. Then yeah. Now I would like to take percentage. What I have to do in that case, I have to take salary again, just drag and drop in the value section, then I can see the salary is created here, but I want to take the percentage. So what I have to do is just click on the sum of value of sum of salary in this option, click it here, the down arrow, and then value field settings. Then here what I can see is click on show value as, and then no calculation. Here I can see there are some of the attributes. Then let's click on the percentage of the grand total and click OK. Then I can see that this has been created as percentage. So this is how you can create a percentage from pivot table. Remember, you will get the practice file underneath this video and also the previous video, and also you have to refer to the video number 32, which I'll give the link underneath this video.